Hi friends, I'm going to end up having to do a layout share for challenge accepted today because I lost the footage for this. So let me bring the camera in just a little bit. So I did end up doing a challenge from Vicki Boutin, and it was about silver and black. And let me see if I can find the rest of the information. So it's about silver and black. And I ended up also using a kit that I picked up. It's the April 2020. It's the main deluxe kit from Not Just for Boys scrapbook kit, which is beyond awesome and gorgeous and wonderful in every way. So let me see if I can find this. So Vicki Boutin's it's supposed to be, okay, the prompt is you. So I have a picture of myself, and the art prompt is decoupage, silver, black, and. So did not decoupage. I was thinking about using some kind of mixed media, but I did not. And I'm also using a sketch from Christy's Beautiful Life Sketches. And I'm sorry, Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. All right, so here is, oh, it's still attached to something. Here is a sketch I'm using today, and it has this large, well, it looks like it's a sewn butterfly. And then it has some scraps of pattern paper going this way, a little block going this way. Yeah, I mean, it really looks like a great use of scraps. And it's showing a 3x3 photo, but you know, put whatever size photo you have. So now the first thing I did when I looked at it, and like I said, I was using this kit, and it's the Not Just for Boys main kit. It is gorgeous. And I designed for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, but I do the theme kits, but I had to order the main kit because it is beyond gorgeous. Okay, so instead of that large butterfly, the first thing I thought to do was use a cut file. And I've had this cut file laying around in my craft room for a little bit. It's a cut file that I got from the Creative Cuts Club from Christina Sorge. And I don't belong to the club. I did a long time ago, but I have quite a few cut files and I should use them, right? So I went ahead and put that cut file on this gorgeous piece of paper right here, this is where I was kind of going with my silver and black idea, because this is a little bit of a warmer gray with black stars. And then I used this cut file and backed the entire thing in this multi-tonal kind of painted wood. And I'm sitting on these wood steps right here. So I was able to pick up some of the wood outdoor kind of thing. And now look at these beautiful, beautiful pieces right here. They are beyond gorgeous. And I used a little scrap here. I used this piece here from a cut apart. So it's all of these different components of my kit, right? And I did just really simple journaling here. It says Yates, February 2020. Yates is a cider mill very close to where I live, in the same city where I live. But there's large walking trails and all that kind of thing, and really big river. So we went there. It was in February of this year, and we just so happened to have a day that was nice enough to go, which is rare for February. The kit also featured these really great flare pieces. So I'm like, great, I can get both of them on and it works. And this is a much darker gray, kind of like an elephant gray with a star. And from there, I was like, all right, let me play up the star thing. My cut file has stars in it. Awesome. These gold, very nice and dimensional stars. Let me show you how dimensional they are. They're so cool. Stars were in the kit. And so those were in the kit. Oh, this really pretty piece of trim was in the kit as well. And from there, I went ahead and pulled out, I'm working with, these are not part of the kit. I'm working with some of these Momentous sticker, you know, they're like mixed media stickers that I have to the side of my desk. And so I was able to pull out this piece here, and you know, this piece right here is just like a compass, so that works out just fine. Anytime you're outside, you can slap a compass on it. These alphas right here are from the Happy Day collection. Let me see. They are from, not the Happy Day collection, they're called Happy Day. And they are glossy puffies. So those are awesome. And I only use the word walk there because I had this die cut piece that reads wonderful. And let me see what else. Let me see what else I can tell you about this exciting stuff. So I did bring in some of the different die cuts from this collection. I brought in a piece of the trim. And yeah, not many pieces of these little die cuts right here were used. So finally, just a few little finishing touches. I did pop this cute little fox that's right here up on a little fun foam. I just use the kind that is adhesive on one side, and I use it as a preference because I like that something's already sticky on one side. The kit that I showed you also has these really great buttons, and they're like definitely like a gray blue. I don't know if they're supposed to be just gray, but they are bringing in a little tiny bit of a blue vibe, which is fine. And is there anything else to tell you? This came together so incredibly quickly. I think once I backed the cut file, which I don't even act too precious about that, I think it was 14 minutes, which is awesome. Oh, this geotag here, I did back in a little tiny scrap of paper that you can't even see it. It looks like gray bricks behind it. And the reason why is it looked kind of wonky with a piece of the wood grain and a piece of this green die cut right here. So I just really wasn't feeling that. And then these really great arrow pieces in wood veneer, again, I brought in. So it was one of those things that was beyond easy to put together, but it does fit the criteria. So here's myself, not looking awesome, but that's all right. Out for a walk, my husband and I went and brought the youngest dog because he is nice and agile. My oldest dog, he just can't walk around that much anymore. So he is on the go with me a lot more often. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you like what I did. Christy, thanks once again for having me be a part of this fabulous series. You know how much I love sketches, so I loved being a part of it. And hey, if you have any questions or comments, anything like that, go ahead and leave them down below. And I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. That's it for now, folks. I am sure I'll be back the next day or so with another video. Bye-bye now.